guys, I'm glad to see you, and today it is time for a new book. Are you ready? Today we're going to read a book about little clouds. Let's begin. The clouds drifted slowly across the sky. The clouds and the little cloud trailed behind the big clouds. The clouds pushed upward, and away. The little cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of the trees and houses. And the little cloud changed into a giant cloud. See? There is only one cloud left. Our little cloud became very big. Little cloud changed into what is it? It's a sheep. Our cloud became a sheep. Sheep and clouds sometimes look alike. Then little cloud changed into a plane. Little cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Then little cloud changed into a shark. Little cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Then little cloud changed into two trees. Little cloud liked the way trees never moved and stayed in one place. Cloud changed into two trees that are not moving. Then our little cloud changed into a rabbit. Little cloud loved to watch rabbit jumping in the fields. Then the little cloud changed into a hat. Why? Because then little cloud changed into a clown, and a clown needed a hat. So our cloud changed into a clown with a hat. After all his changings, the other clouds came back. They huddled close together. They were close to each other, and they screamed, "Little cloud, come back!" And then little cloud came to his friends, other clouds, and then they all became one big cloud, one big cloud, and started to rain. That's the end of our story. Now guys, we're going to make one more experiment. For this experiment you will need a jar with water, blue paint, shaving foam, a pipette, and maybe that's all. And water to mix the paints. So, as we know, rain comes from the clouds. So first we will make a cloud. We're taking a foam and put it on our water. Here it is, white cloud, and from our cloud will come raindrops. What color are the raindrops? They are blue, so we need to make them here. With blue color to see them. Okay, I hope this will be enough. And we're taking our pipette, taking a little of. Okay, so, and here comes our rain. Rain comes from the clouds. And we are pressing a little bit and putting it in our cloud. And look, the rain comes. Does it come? Yeah! Look, wow, how beautiful. From our cloud comes the rain. See? The raindrops are falling from the cloud. You can do it at home, I think. Okay guys, now we are going to show you the story about the little cloud, about the book that we read. So, one day in the sky there were many clouds. They were moving in the sky, and behind them was a little cloud. As the wind blew, the clouds were moving high in the sky, and the little cloud was flying behind them, and it was touching the trees. It was moving up and down. It was touching the trees and the roofs of the houses. But suddenly, our little cloud got lost because the big clouds flew further and further away, and our little cloud was left alone. And suddenly it changed into a big cloud. But it wasn't the last change. After some time, it started to change into different things. So, our cloud first changed into what is it? It's a sheep, that's right. So, our cloud changed into a sheep because our cloud saw a sheep on the ground when it was flying, and it liked them. After some time, again, our cloud was flying in the sky, and it changed into a plane. See? This cloud looks like a plane. It was flying with planes in the sky sometimes, so it changed into a plane. Then it decided to change into what does it look like? It's a shark. See? It has a tail. So our cloud changed into a shark. Then after some time, our cloud changed into a tree, because when our cloud was flying in the sky, it was touching the tops of the trees. So our cloud changed into a tree. Then it decided to change into something else. Look attentively. What is it? What does this cloud look like? It's a rabbit. That's right. So when the cloud was flying in the sky, it saw rabbits on the ground, hopping on the ground, and that's why it decided to change into a rabbit. Then, after some time, it changed into a clown. And then it changed into a hat, because clowns wear hats. So, this was the last change of our cloud. So, after some time, his big clouds, his friends, they came after him and they started to shout, little cloud, come back. And our little cloud stopped playing with his shapes and he joined his friends. And they all together became a very big cloud. They gathered together and they became a very big rainy cloud. And after some time, it started to rain, because rain goes from the clouds. So all the clouds, they made big one rainy cloud, and the rain began. And now guys, we have a little task to do. You will need a worksheet and you will need markers. First, we have to trace the clouds and the lines to the raindrops. Take any marker you want. I will take blue. Do it slowly. Don't hurry up. Make the clouds beautiful. And trace them like you have. And the lines. Straight lines to our raindrops. Almost straight. Like this. Look how many raindrops we have here. We have 10 raindrops. So we are tracing 10 straight lines. Okay, done. Now we have here numbers, and the same numbers we have in our raindrops. We are going to trace number with one color, and with the same color we will color our raindrops. I will start with, what color is it? It is red. Okay, red. So first we are tracing the first number, which is number 1. That's right. And now we need to find a raindrop with the same number, with number 1. And here it is, the raindrop with number 1. And I'm coloring it with the same color. Okay, so number 1 is red. Next, after number 1 goes number 2. That's right. And I'm going to color it with what marker? What color? Purple. That's right. First, we are tracing number 2 slowly and beautifully. Number 2. And now we need to color the raindrop with number 2. And here it is. And we are coloring it with the same color, with purple one. Okay, done. After number 2 goes number 3. That's right. And for number 3, I chose what color? Light blue. That's right. And first we are tracing our number 3 beautifully, and then we are finding the raindrop with number 3. Here it is, and coloring it with the light blue color. Good. Then after number 3 goes number 4. That's right. So I chose brown color, and we are going to trace number 4. And then we need to find the raindrop with number 4. Here it is, after the rainbow, number 3, and we are coloring it. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Number 5. I took yellow. That's right. I took yellow marker, and we are tracing number 5. And we're coloring the raindrop with number 5. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And color the 5th rainbow or raindrop. Okay, then after number 5 goes number 6. That's right. And for number 6, I have green color. That's right, it is green. And we are tracing our number 6, and then we are coloring the raindrop with number 6. Here it is. Done. Okay, let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. And for 7, I have dark blue, which we used to trace the lines. So now we are tracing number 7 with dark blue, and we are coloring the raindrop also with the same color. dark blue. Okay. After number 7, we have number 8. That's right, number 8. And for number 8, I have orange. That's right, orange marker. Let's trace it. Number 8. Done. Good. And we need to find the raindrop with number 8 and color it with our orange color. And here it is. Okay. Orange, number 8. Okay. And after number 8 goes number 9. That's right. And for number 9, I have pink. That's right, pink. Let's trace number 9. And let's color the raindrop with number 9. Here it is. And we are coloring it with pink color. Okay, now let's count one more time from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. And for 10, for the last number, I will use, what color is it? It is black. Let's trace 10. It is number 1 and 0. And this is number 10. And we are coloring the last raindrop with number 10 with the same black color. That's all. We finished and repeated numbers with you. Well done.
Now guys, let's repeat one more time what happened in our story. So, it was a little cloud. Let's repeat it all together. Cloud. The cloud was playing, it was flying in the sky, and it was touching the roofs of the houses. Let's repeat. A house. Then it started to play and change its shape. First shape that he had was a sheep. Let's repeat all together. Sheep. Okay, then he changed into a plane. Yes, you remember this word as we learned the transfer. It's a plane. Then it changed into a shark. Shark. Okay, let's repeat it together. Shark. Then after some time, it started to change into a tree. Yes, it changed into the tree, and it also was flying and touching the tops of the trees. Let's repeat. A tree. Then it changed into a rabbit. Let's repeat. A rabbit. And the last shape that he changed into was a hat, and a clown with the hat. Let's repeat together. A clown. So I hope that you memorized these words.